My name is Kocharian. I'm from Armenia, solo cello principal in Shenzhen Symphony Orchestra. And I came here in 2017. I can tell you that it starts very interesting part of my life. I like very much super futuristic, very interesting city and very, very beautiful. And it's a really kind of philharmonic city. Yeah, as a musician, I can see that because here is a lot of concert halls. As a very developed city, Shenzhen also has the opportunity to invite many international classic music stars. So that's also a very important thing in the life of the city. It's a really unique environment. We, as musicians, we can feel this environment. And more foreign performers are joining the symphony orchestra. So it makes our orchestra more international, and also shows that Shenzhen is becoming more and more international. I'm so happy that government here really very careful and very supportive to the classical music. Not only classical music, everywhere, art. Just go around Shenzhen, you will see there is different exhibitions. It's amazing. Whatever we need to do is to build future. I hope really, and I can see that future will be bright, and future will be, of course, amazing, because we're working for that every single day.